Good morning, happy Friday the 30th of October. I'm Jessica Amir, market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, there's just 4 days until the US election, and don't forget there's just 2 days until the local Queensland election. But the focus for many right now is that some of the biggest tech companies in the world have just handed down financial year results after the US market closed. Now, Amazon, Alphabet and Facebook reported better than expected numbers after the market closed, but we saw each of their stocks charge ahead in anticipation. Netflix also made a notable 3.7% lift on announcing that it's increasing its subscription costs, while Twitter rose 8%. And importantly, what also helped US stocks charge ahead was better than expected economic news. We saw US economic growth rebound in the third quarter, up a massive 33.1%, and that beat expectations, which is important to note. And almost in a V-shaped recovery formation, that rebound in growth erased the 31.4% plunge in GDP in the second quarter. So economic recovery stocks did well too. Property stock giant CBRE up the most, a notable gain of 18% on better than expected earnings, while Chevron and Caterpillar were up about 2% each. All in all, the major three indices finished in the black. The Dow up 0.5%, the S&P up 1.2%, and the Nasdaq up the most, 1.6%. But you'd expect further rallies tonight given the better than expected tech stocks results, which were reported after the market close. On the commodity side of things, the oil price has continued its fall. It's down 3%. It's now at $36.11 US a barrel, putting it on pace to see its worst week since April, which is a bit of a concern for oil stocks today. And the US dollar, which is seen as a safe haven in quite uncertain times, has again seen further funds. It's up about 0.6%, which pressured gold down 0.6%. Equally going the other way, it's now at $1,868 US an ounce. As for local trade today, a bit of a rally on the cards. The futures are suggesting the market will lift 0.6%, which will be a bit of a welcome lift given the market this week is down 3.4%. from Monday to Thursday, and that's our biggest weekly fall in almost 6 months. So what to watch today? Well, in company news, AMP has just announced that they have received a takeover offer from a global investment management company called Ares Management. Now, the global manager or AMP didn't say what the takeover amount was, but you'd think that AMP shares could rally on the hype. Quarterly results continue to be released today, including for Northern Star, ResMed and National Storage REIT, which will report today. AGMs continue thick and fast. Car sales, Austal, email payments, GWA, Integral Diagnostics, Recce Pharmaceuticals, a small company, and Southern Cross Media, all holding AGMs. As for trading ideas that could be worth a look, well, Bell Potter reiterated the A2 Milk Company as a sell with a $12.70 target, and that implies an 11% fall in about a year, really on the back of these continued supply chain issues indirectly into China, with Daegu and Hong Kong sales under pressure. Now, Citi reiterated the shipbuilder Austal ASB as a buy, but trimmed its price target to $4.30, as the market appears to have lost a bit of faith that Austal can replenish its pipeline. This is all despite global governments, or some global governments, stimulating economies with shipbuilding. And UBS has reiterated Newcrest Mining as a buy, but trimmed its price target by 50 cents to $38. UBS says although Newcrest costs are higher, its gold mine in Havieron in WA is still growing nicely. And lastly, keep an eye on 3 stocks from a technical perspective: Matador Mining, Propac and Catapult Group International. Now, all 3 of these stocks are showing strong bullish charting signals according to Trading Central. Thanks for your company. I'm Jessica Amir. Stay safe, happy trading, and I'll see you for the weekly wrap.